Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio SGW100. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, make sure you are in the timekeeping mode. It will look like this. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get a high-pitched beeping sound. That one. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left. This one. Okay, and you will get this one, the city or the time zone is flashing or blinking. You can use these two buttons to change the city, so the light button will move to the west and the compass button will move to the east. And because my city is the same time zone as PKK, then I will use PKK. Okay, now press the one on the bottom left, this button, the mode button, and now we are setting this one, the daylight saving. If you want to activate, you can use the compass button. So now it is on, and if not, then you can press again and it is now off. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the time format. So this one is 24-hour format and you can use the compass button to change, and this one is the 12-hour format. So whichever you want, I will just use the 24-hour format. Okay, next press the mode button and we are setting the second. For this one, you can reset the second becoming 0 by pressing the compass button. If it is 30 or more like this one, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use these two buttons. The light button will decrease and the compass button will increase. Okay, press again the mode button and now we are setting the minute. Same thing, you can use these two buttons. So it's like this one is counterclockwise, reducing, and this one is clockwise, increasing. Okay, press again the mode button and now we are setting the year. Same thing, light button to decrease and compass button to increase. Okay, mode button and now is the month, also the same thing, light button to decrease and compass button to increase. Mode button again and now is the date. Also the same thing, light button to decrease and compass button to increase. Press again and now we are setting the temperature scale. So this one is C, Celsius. You can use the compass button to change, and this one is the F, Fahrenheit. So whichever you want, I will use C for me now. Okay, press again the mode button and now we're back to the setting of the city or time zone. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the adjust button and yes, done for the basic setting of this watch, Casio SGW100.